Hello there, I'm Ibrohim Abdivokhidov, a senior student at Uzbekistan University. I'm majoring in computer science. I'm focused on the wide range of research areas, including neuroscience and AI. Currently, I'm doing research on optimizing AlphaFold using quantum computing. The International Excellence Scholarship gives me an incredible opportunity to experience the German culture and create lifelong memories and connections, collaborate with like-minded students to enrich my academic journey, and contribute to the growth of economy. I also found it fun so I could learn the German from native speakers. Copernicus Berlin is a global network, named after Nicholas Copernicus with philosophy. Each individual plays a vital role in democratic association while independently working toward a shared goal, focusing on progress, networking, and equality. Copernicus Berlin moving forward, making a positive impact on the world. I bring a strong background in AI research and proven ability to drive innovations, collaboration. I have proven experience in building supportive and fun communities. One of my strong skills is to organize, mobilize diverse groups towards a common goals. Thank you.